Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I'm starting a new series on my channel called Picsart 101. I'm making this series because when I was learning Picsart, I couldn't find an in-depth tutorial like this one. So let's get into the basics. The first thing you'll see is the featured artist, and next to that you'll see the challenges that Picsart runs. There's all different types of challenges to enter. Underneath, you'll see that you have the top hashtags in the app for at that moment. Under the hashtags is a huge list of Picsartists, that's what we're called, that you can scroll through and get inspiration from. If you click on an image, you'll see who the artist is, how many views and likes the image has, and you can remix the images in your own editing style. This is a free to edit image, which basically means the artist is giving you permission to use the edit how you want to. If you scroll down, you'll find images that are similar to the image or that use the same hashtag as the artist did. The icon to the left of Discover is your feed icon. Here you can see what your followers and the people you follow post, as well as your own work. Here you can like, comment and remix images. At the top there's a feed drop down menu. Here you can select to see your followers images or hashtag free to edit. The free to edit tab groups all the images tagged as free to edit together so that you can find them easier. These artists are giving you creative freedom with the images. To the right of the circle is the trophy icon. This is the challenges tab. At the top you can vote on posts from challenges that have already ended. As you scroll down, you can see the current challenges running, and you can see how long you have before the competition ends. There are multiple challenges running at once. Here are the results of challenges that have already been voted on. You can see until 10th place, but if you select see all, you'll see all the placed entries. To the right of challenges is your profile. Here is where all your edits you decide to share will be. The pink circle is the main feature. When you select it, you get 4 options: edit, collage, draw, camera. We'll get into depth with all of them, but for now we'll focus on the edit option. Once selected, you'll get this. It shows you all your recent photos, but if you want to edit an old photo, you select the recent drop-down menu and you can choose the file the image is in. This is the editor. At the bottom are the editing tools. We will go through each and every one of the tools in later videos. The white circle is to go to save the image. Here is where you can add hashtags like free to edit. You can either save or share. Save saves the images to your gallery, and share adds it to your profile. I hope this video was informative. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and be on the lookout for the next part. Bye!